Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, CorelDRAW with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, film or video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, Chess Assassin playlist. Boris Spassky opens with d4. Then Bobby Fischer replies with knight to f6. Now black transposes into Benoni defense. As chess students who have been told not to move one piece twice in the opening, till they have moved them all once. But in this position, it is routine. The importance of rapid development varies greatly according to the pawn position. If there is an open, pawnless or readily openable file, the time factor is vital. If not, ideal posting of pieces is more important than getting them all into play in a minimum number of moves. Instead of capturing the knight, what if f4 was moved? Then, black will stand better as follows. And the knight is ready to jump to g4 then to f2. Or white move his rook to d1, black is again better as follows. And the knights are well posted in the center, an ideal place of knights. Let's now go back to the game. If white captures the knight, then black will recapture with bishop, maintaining the long dark diagonal, his great asset. Black is threatening mate in 1. Intending to double rook on e-file, to protect the isolated e4 pawn. Now black is threatening before to kick the knight, then bishop to b5 forking the queen and the rook. So, b4 pawn is forced. White cannot make any progress to improve his position. Removing the other defender of e4 pawn. Now White threatens to mate in 1 on g7. Good move, preventing the bishop to b2. And White resigns in this position. That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.